Sometimes healing doesn't happen in hospitals or gyms. It happens when you step away from everything familiar. These 5 destinations aren't about escape. They're about coming back to yourself, through motion, stillness, and connection. This is the healing power of travel. Bali feels alive in every sense. Warm air, bright colors, soft sounds. For centuries, Balinese culture has built life around balance between people, nature, and spirit. Travelers come here for yoga retreats in Ubud, where every morning begins with silence and movement. The island's mineral springs and meditation gardens help your body unwind and your thoughts slow down. Even science backs it. Studies show that yoga and breathwork lower cortisol, the stress hormone, by nearly 30%. When you leave Bali, you realize the secret isn't the place, it's the pace. Patagonia feels like the edge of the world. The air is thin, the silence deep. In a world addicted to noise, this kind of silence is medicine. Trekking here isn't just physical, it's mental stillness. Scientists have found that immersion in quiet natural landscapes lowers heart rate and boosts mood-regulating brain chemicals. Up here, every breath feels clean, every thought feels lighter, and you understand that sometimes silence says more than words ever could. In Morocco, healing takes the form of ritual: steam, scrub, scent, and stillness. The hammam, the traditional steam bath, is centuries old. It's both purification and meditation. Every movement, from pouring water to washing away clay, symbolizes renewal. Many travelers say Morocco is the place they finally learned to pause. The warmth, the rhythm, the light. It all slows you down until you find your natural rhythm again. The Japanese practice of Shinrin-yoku, forest bathing, isn't about hiking or exercise. It's simply being present among trees. When you walk through Kyoto's bamboo forests, the air hums with quiet energy. You start noticing small things: the rustle of leaves, the play of light. Forest air is rich in natural oils called phytoncides, compounds that boost your immune system and reduce stress. Japan teaches you something simple. Healing doesn't always require doing more. Sometimes it means doing less, but feeling more. Costa Rica is a playground for the soul. Yoga by the beach, surfing under the sun, rainforests alive with sound. The locals call it pura vida, pure life. It's not a slogan, it's a mindset. Movement here doesn't exhaust you, it recharges you. Every wave, every hike, every warm smile from a stranger reminds you what it means to feel alive again. We travel for many reasons: adventure, escape, curiosity, but often what we're really searching for is peace. Healing doesn't mean forgetting what hurt you. It means creating moments of beauty that remind you life still feels good. Whether it's a sunrise in Bali or silence in Patagonia, the lesson is the same. Slow down, breathe deeply, and remember you belong here. The world isn't just waiting to be seen, it's waiting to heal you, if you let it.